Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The word for today, Friday, May 22nd, 2026, is from Deuteronomy 10 verse 21. The Lord is your praise, and He is your God. And today's scripture is from John 16 verse 27. The Father Himself loves you. Have a blessed day.